We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and the broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we...
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you some cleaning motivation as always. So if you are ready to see me tidy some areas around my house, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Make sure your notification bell is on so you don't miss any of my uploads, and leave me a comment down below. You know I love getting to know you. Now let's get to cleaning. I'm gonna be starting out in my bedroom, and all I'm doing is making up my bed. I did get new bedding for my birthday. I got this set from Target. It was only $70, which I thought was a really great deal. And this blanket that I got from my parents for my birthday as well, I'm just throwing it on the end of the bed because if I don't, my kids will drag it around the house, honey, and we do not want that, okay? And I'm also going to be cleaning off this TV stand. It is really dusty. I have not dusted it in a while. And I got this Pledge polishing spray or whatever. I do not really care for it at all. It leaves my table really dull. So I just wanted to use it on other wood surfaces around the house, and it does just fine.
Ooh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. But we golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody.
So I'm using this Sprayway glass cleaner to clean the mirror in my bedroom. I originally wanted to hang this mirror, but now I'm not so sure. Let me know in the comments what you think. Should I hang it or just leave it like it is? I am slowly getting my bedroom together. I plan on finding me some curtains really soon, adding a couple more pillows to my bed, and I'm also on the market for some lamps for my bedroom. I haven't found anything I like just yet, but stay tuned.
Let's get it on to your favorite song. The night is young and you got me going on every single beat.
Moving on to my bathroom, I'm just gonna clear the countertops. My bathroom was not a mess at all. I actually had just cleaned it a couple days prior, so now we're just gonna clean off the countertop and clean the toilet, and we will be done.
Just wanna be your lover, cause you're making me feel love when it feels right. It is just one of these nights. Love so strong, can't be wrong, all because of you. I love when it feels nice. You're the apple of my eye. Love so strong, can't be wrong, all because of you. Cause I love it. Love when it feels right. Ooh, I love when it feels right. Ooh, getting really close. This is how it goes. Opposites attract. Guessing everybody knows. Fire on the floor, seeking out the door. We're just getting started, lady. Now I really want some more. Girl, you know that there ain't nobody moving like you. You know you.
Always, I'm using this Method Anti-Bac bathroom cleaner on my toilet. I'm also using this Lysol toilet bowl cleaner and just getting it all clean.
Cause you're making me feel I love when it feels right. It is just one of these nights. Love so strong, can't be wrong, all because of you. I love when it feels nice. You're the apple of my eye.
I'm just switching over some laundry from the washer to the dryer. I'm also going to be washing my bathroom rugs so I can get those put back in the bathroom.
I'm so strong, can't be wrong because of you. I love when it feels nice. You're the apple of my eye. Love so strong, can't be wrong, no, because of you. 'Cause I love it. Love when it feels right. Love when it feels right. Hey. It's just when nothing's nice. Love when it feels nice. You're the apple of my eye. Love when it feels right. It's just when nothing's nice.
Alright, so now we're going to tidy up the living room. I have my little helper Blake here with me, helping me clean up all of these toys. Sydney was napping, so it was a perfect time to get this living room all together. As you guys can see, we did switch around the living room furniture, and we really love having our living room this way. We're able to actually see out of the window now that the couch is not blocking it. We did put our shelf over in the corner and just move the couch. We didn't do a big switch, but what we did do really just made the space feel different, and we enjoy it.
Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let me. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let go, boy. Loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. Love and let go. Have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Every time it's a blessing.
Now I'm just going to straighten up the pillows. I did get new throw pillows, you guys, and I love them. I still am waiting on a couple more to tie everything together, but I really do love my new pillows. I want to say I saw this My Happy Place pillow in Tifani Michelle's living room, and I absolutely love it. When I saw that it was on sale, your girl had to snatch it up, okay? And I got this tray for my coffee table that I really love. I am still looking for some decor for it, something that my 1-year-old cannot destroy, because she always messes with the candle that I have here, and yeah, that's not gonna work out.
I'm yours if you let me. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let go, boy. Loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. Love and let go, boy. You don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Every time it's a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level.
If this is your first time visiting my channel, I just want to take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Shania Vaughn, and I'm a wife and a stay-at-home mom of 2 beautiful babies. And on my channel, you will find motivational cleaning videos like this one. You'll also see some organization, decor, and mommy videos. So if that is your thing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment down below so we can chat and get to know each other better. I'd love to have you here as a friend.
It's a safe card. You don't have to play hard. You love and let go.
Last thing I wanted to do in the living room was sweep and mop the floors, and then I'm gonna move on to cleaning the kitchen. And you guys know cleaning the kitchen is my favorite, so I say the best for last.
Take it to the next level. If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it.
You guys, my son likes to park his bike and his sister's toys right here. It's like his little parking lot, so he lines them up how he wants them. And you know what? I let him live his best life. If that is his little parking spot for his bike, then go for it.
Darling, we built a home, a life, but not all of that is gonna feed my tears. I'm leaving the light on if you come back around.
drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from these deep black waters. Pull you in while you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from these deep black waters. Pull you in while.
All right, guys, so now we're in the kitchen and I'm just going to tidy up the table, put everything back where it belongs, and move on to doing the dishes.
Yeah, we used to laugh. You were all that I had.
So real moment right here, you guys. I do not always remove this table runner to clean the table if it doesn't need it. And today it did not need it. The table was not really dirty. I just like it to shine. Okay. So I'm just shining my table up, and I did have to order some more of this orange glow because I was really low and I was panicking. I tried a different product and it had my table, like I told you, I was looking real dusty and ashy. And look, I don't like that.
Not until forever I will fight, but you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from these deep black waters. Pull you in while you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from these deep black waters. Pull you in while.
After cleaning off my trash can, I'm using this hand sanitizer by Dr. Brite. It is 70% alcohol. It kind of gives off a strong alcohol scent when you put it on, which I do love because I know it's working. The alcohol scent did go away in about 5 to 10 seconds and my hands were left feeling smooth and soft, just like I put on lotion. So I really did enjoy that. It also has a fresh citrus scent that I know you guys will love. I have the 16-ounce bottle and this 3.4-ounce bottle. That's perfect to take with you on the go. Make sure you're using your hand sanitizer when you're out to protect yourself, you guys. This Dr. Brite's hand sanitizer is available and in stock right now. I know most companies are out of stock, so check them out. Use my discount code Squeaky Clean Life for an additional savings. The link will be in my description box. So now I'm just putting up a couple grocery items that I got earlier. I'm getting rid of all packaging like I always do. Everything has already been sanitized and wiped down. So now I'm just getting rid of packaging to put it away. Mostly just medicines because my sinuses have been bothering me a lot this past week. So we are hoping that this medicine gets me all the way together. Okay.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and the broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lead. Ooh, getting caught in the maze, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know.
I'm using this Method Anti-Bac all-purpose cleaner in bamboo scent. It smells amazing. I'm using this to disinfect my countertops. You're supposed to spray it and let it sit for 10 minutes to fully disinfect and then wipe it clean. So make sure you're reading the bottles to make sure you're properly disinfecting your surfaces.
We're from a different time, yeah, we're of a different breed. 'Cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we're holding the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling, just like we please. Ooh, getting caught in the maze, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're dynamite.
anyways, I am using this Barkeeper spray to get my sink shining, and you know I love it. I will highly recommend this product if you want to get a shiny, squeaky clean sink, okay? And this part is always so satisfying for me to watch from other people's videos, so I try to make my sink cleaning as satisfying as I can get it. So let me know in the comments if I am nailing it, okay? Is it satisfying enough for you? If you made it this far in the video, I truly appreciate your support so much. Thank you so much for watching these videos all the way into the end. It helps my channel out so much, and I just want to thank you so much. So if you have made it this far, go ahead and leave me some pink heart emojis in the comments so I will know that you have rocked with me until the very end.
Let's get it on to your favorite song. The night is young and you got me going on. Every single beat hits my heart.
So it's been about 10 minutes and now I'm able to wipe the countertops off because they are fully disinfected. The last thing I'm gonna do is sweep the kitchen and then we're gonna be done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave me a like, subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Make sure your post notification bell is on so you don't miss any of my uploads. Leave me a comment down below. I love getting to know you. Share this video with a friend who you think needs some cleaning motivation. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Because of you, I love when it feels nice. You're the apple of my eye. Love so strong, can't be wrong. No, because of you, 'cause I love it. Love when it feels right. Ooh, I love when it feels right. Ooh, getting really close. This is how it goes. Opposites attract. Guessing everybody knows. Fire on the floor, sneaking out the door. We're just getting started, lady. Now I really want some more. Girl, you know that there ain't nobody moving like you. You know you got me. I love the things you do. Maybe I'm getting into trouble, but I just wanna be your lover. 'Cause you're making me feel